is to discharge our duties, to examine,
Oh.
to scrutinize,
Woo!
and to evaluate this
Hindi.
impeachment complaint.
Ayan.
Ang tungkulin natin ngayon ay malinaw. Suriin ng patas at may integridad ang bawat reklamo. Today, we begin with sufficiency in form. At this stage, we are not weighing evidence. We are not determining guilt. We are simply asking procedural questions. Are the complaints properly verified? Do they comply with the House on impeachment? Are they properly endorsed? Do they meet the formal
Masarap yung kamote.
thresholds
Saan ka binili
required
to?
to proceed?
Doon yata sa ano?
Still
Asin?
colleagues, this
Was it good, Kaya?
requires